Happy Monday! It looks like a little rain later, but we'll see what happens. We're going to start chapter 3. I'm going to start with a song. I ended last week with a song on Friday. I don't know what's with me and songs lately, but it's a great way to learn stuff. The title of the song to start chapter 3 about exercise is called Keeping Healthy. We talked a lot about the food guide pyramid and how healthy choices keep your body healthy. So try to eat healthy as well as exercise well. Exercise today. Exercise each day, it's a thing to do. Running or jumping or climbing a hill, whatever's fun for you. Exercise will keep your muscles really strong. So play some ball or take a walk. With that, you can't go wrong. And my friend Lucas loves playing with the ball. Daniela and me laying together. Keep your lungs and heart healthy, don't delay. Swim in a pool or ride a bike. Exercise today. Look at all these pictures of these kids exercising. Now, you don't have to grab a football. You don't have to grab a bicycle or have a swimming pool. There's lots of things that you can do. Jumping jacks, you can do walking in place. We had practiced some exercise a week or 2 weeks ago, and where we pretended we were in quicksand and we just kept marching in place. And moving your body like that can be very good. But the question I really want to ask is why? Why is exercise important? Well, at recess you might play a game, throw a ball or take a walk. What do you like to do at recess? When you're active, your body is getting exercise. You can get exercise by running, walking, swimming, or playing, and doing many other kinds of activities. What kind of exercises do you do each day? You know, just if you're responsible for carrying some laundry up to your sock drawer or to your clothing area, that's exercise, walking up and down stairs. Exercise helps your body stay healthy. It keeps your muscles strong and your heart and lungs healthy. How is the girl in the picture keeping herself healthy? Well, she's decided to go for a walk. She's decided to also keep the health up of her animals, her pets. She has 2 pet dogs. And I don't know if she's providing a service for somebody. Maybe she's a dog walking service helper. And she's walking a dog in her family or friends. But she's getting exercise by doing that walking. And if she was on an iPad on her couch, she would be getting 0 exercise. Probably feel tired afterwards. But after she takes this walk, she's not going to be tired. She's going to have more energy. And your body gets energy from exercise. You feel better when you're done. You feel like you did something special. And by walking the dogs, that's definitely an exercise that I do. I try to walk my dogs 1 time each day, and during this quarantine, maybe even 2 times. The dogs love going for walks. It's really a great way to keep them healthy, and it's a really great way to stay in shape. Some of the exercise I do is in my yard. I will get on my knees and I will pull some of the bad plants, and all that pulling is muscles, bending over and stretching. You know, all these things help your body with lots of great exercise. And this week we're going to do a jumping jack activity where we do the exercises. And you're going to need a stopwatch, and I want to see how many jumping jacks you can do in 1 minute. I want you to make a prediction. We make a prediction to judge it later. We make a prediction is taking all the things we know about science and we give a guess what we think is going to happen, during some type of experiment, like this 25 jumping jacks or like this how many jumping jacks in 1 minute experiment. And we're going to be predicting. We're also going to be collecting data. So if you do 20 jumping jacks in 1 minute, then you're going to write that number down. Now, let's say you predicted you could do 30 and you only did 20. Well, that's okay. That means that if you practice more, you can work up to 30. It also means that you have an understanding of how much exercise your body can handle, how quickly you can do exercises. And When I say quickly doing exercises, I don't mean to do exercises fast. If I'm in one of our videos this week, you'll see someone, lifting weights, and that's improving his muscles. But he says, don't do it really, really fast. Do it slowly so your muscles build nicely, and that's has a lot to do with exercising. Jogging is one of my favorite way to exercise. I put on my headphones and I just jog. I sweat. I breathe heavy. My heart feels good. I feel great afterwards. I feel like I don't want to sit down. I feel like I just want to keep doing things. I clean the closet. I do all this stuff because I have all this extra energy afterwards. I did get poison ivy, so I'm not jogging right now. But the last thing we're going to do, we're going to predict, we're going to collect the data, what we actually do, how many jumps and jacks we actually do, and then we're going to interpret the data. Interpret just means read and understand the information and the numbers that you collected. So we understood that someone, as an example, did 20 jumping jacks in 1 minute. So that's a good understanding, and that's a good way to interpret what your body can handle. Push-ups and sit-ups are things that, sit-ups help your stomach muscles. They're called your abdomen muscles. And if you do enough of them, it looks like you have a Hershey chocolate bar. You have something called a six-pack. And push-ups are great for your shoulders, okay? That's when you put your hands on the ground and your toes, you stand on your toes and your body is straight. And that helps your all different parts of muscles on your arms and your shoulders and your chest. You're building muscles in all those places. So building muscles and exercising, I don't care if you're doing go noodle movement breaks, but get out there and exercise. And I'm not talking about 5 minutes and jump back on your iPad. I tried to play a game of running bases on the front lawn with my kids, and halfway through the game, one of them disappeared. He was playing some video game inside. I'm like, what are you doing? So it's really important that you stick with these games and you continue to play them. And even if you're getting a little tired, push through, because it's a lot of fun to play. And you can do these things with your brothers and sisters. But that's about it. Exercise, everybody. 60 minutes a day. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. You don't have to exercise and lift weights for 1 hour straight, but try to break it up into a couple times during the day where you're doing things like walking. You can go up and down stairs. You can jog in place. You can do things. You can do wall push-ups where you put your hands on the wall and you push your body away, and that's like a modified push-up. That's another great way to exercise your body. So get out there and exercise, everybody, will you? All right, you'll feel good about it. I promise. See you tomorrow.